Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have two glasses on my 10 by 10 inch canvas, and one is just a little one, and I centered them so you see one is underneath, little one is underneath. So just a second, I just think that this camera is not okay, better maybe. So, and I will not put my base down as I did before, and I will talk you through the colors. So my kind of base would be black, so I will pour quite an amount, and of course I will do a reverse flower dip of black on this bigger cup, just to have some base, kind of. Okay, and I will start with my pearl white, and because this glass is high, I will have to be careful not to pour too much paint on it. So this one is Artist Colors Cerulean Blue, and some pearl white again, and this one is Amsterdam Copper, so I'm basically using some teals and copper, and some pearl white again, and I have Vallejo Phthalo Turquoise, whoop, and pearl white again, I really want to see what will happen if I use those two cups together. And this is Lucas Mint. This one is a little thicker, I think, mixed with a little bit of Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue, just to add a little, I don't know, something. And I will do another row of all these colors. So pearl white and cerulean blue. And in the meantime, you can enjoy watching paint flowing off, or you can fast forward. I just want to thank you all for good wishes, because I wasn't feeling quite okay last 2 weeks, but I'm better and okay now, so thank you all. And pearl white again, I just hope I don't have too much pearl white, because it can take over, you know, hopefully not. And this teal again, and pearl white again, and this minty color. Okay, and I will just try to do that. I will maybe pour some black just here on the corners. Okay, and I will use some kind of flower pattern shape with my skewer, and then I will remove this cup and do the other petals. Not cup, it's a glass, so let's do that. Oop. Okay, let's start with my pearl white again. It was a little bit of suction there. Cerulean blue. The pearl white. And the copper. The bigger glass had 8 chambers, so there are 8 petals, so I will not be able to kind of, you know, they are not like if there will be both 6, it would be different, but I just want to have this in the middle and see what will happen. Okay, and this will be it for the middle. Just have to grab a palette knife. Where are my palette knives? Because I want some smaller one just to cover this canvas with black around, and I will spin it, so it will probably go over the edge, but if it will not, I can always, you know, paint my edges, sides and edges with black afterwards. So okay, let's remove this cup. And I will just remove this black a little bit with my finger first. And I will just do those heart shapes here in the inner petals. This is the right word. Touch the center once more. And now I will grab my napkin, spray it with water a little bit and see what will happen. I spray just to be a little softer, but you can use a dry one if you want. Let's put this baby down. My hands are shaking today. And the other half. Okay, kind of okay. And now I will just gently touch this. You can touch this, not like in the song that you can't touch this. So let's see. Where is the lacing? didn't get any lacing. So weird. So weird. What is wrong with my pearl white mixture? Really weird. And inner petals disappeared totally, so it wasn't really any difference than if I would do just one, obviously. Weird, weird, weird. But you know, it's always good to show you the pores that don't turn out as they should in your head, or how can I say that? So it's not all about success thing in your life or in fluid art, so we can all learn something, because in life is the same. We learn from our mistakes, and sometimes it would be nice if we would learn from mistakes that somebody else do, not us. But okay, I will give it a spin, because or maybe not, I don't know, because the shape is really nice, but I really miss my effects with pearl white. I'm just thinking, because this pearl white I had here for covered, and I think that maybe this one was with emulsibond or something, because just didn't create the effects that I normally get. But let's leave it like it is, should we? So sorry for the focus, guys, but this happens too sometimes. So let me show you the close-up. You see, more just lines without any lacing at all. I really don't know what happened, but something definitely did. And about the middle one, I think that didn't make a lot of difference, so probably it could be just one, not two of the glasses for this, but the shape is really nice. So today was a little weird day, but hopefully you learned something too. I definitely did, and see you on the next one. Bye.